At RIMAN, we believe your skincare ritual should be as natural and sacred as the skin you're in. Our expert line features sustainably sourced heritage ingredients from the volcanic island of Jeju, paired with our patented complexes to reveal your natural glow. Experience our signature Expert RIMAN ritual. Active Cleanup Powder. Gently cleanse and exfoliate for smooth, bright skin. Biotin Oil Mist. Nourish your skin with hydration and moisturizing oils. Calming Balance Gel. Soothe and hydrate your skin. Boo. Hydrate, nourish, and strengthen with our booster and serum duo. Active Cream EX. Infuse skin with antioxidants for that classic RIMAN glow. Daily Aqua BB. Perfect coverage for all-day radiance. Embrace your RIMAN ritual and experience the difference. A difference you'll love.